I'm always looking for options for a battery, and I picked this up in late 2020. This is the Miadi, or Miadi, depending on how you want to pronounce it, 6 amp hour LiFePO4 rechargeable battery. It is a lithium iron phosphate battery, and it's going to give you a lot more charge cycles over the life of the battery than you would get out of an AGM battery or a lead acid battery. Most of the text you find online says that lead acid batteries will last between 1 and 300 recharge cycles. If being used daily, an AGM will be replaced approximately 6 times before your typical LiFePO4 battery needs replacing. Lithium batteries can be fully discharged without risk and without loss of future capacity. The great thing about this battery is it's lightweight, it's 6 amp hours. I used it off and on during hunting season at my hunting lease, basically from the beginning of November until the middle of January. And I was only out there on the weekends, so I would charge it up on the weekends and use it and then put it in the trailer and leave it. And I would come back and attach it to my IC705, and it would have plenty of charge to run the radio QRP on single sideband for several hours. I set up the IC705 on a dual band Edfong J-pole antenna and worked local repeaters. It worked great. It's not going to be the quality of a Bioenno, but it's $32 on Amazon with free shipping if you have Prime, so you can't hardly go wrong. Right now, I'm going to set this on the scale. Due to the poor lighting, you can... Let's do it that way. Sorry, it's going to be upside down, but oh well. There it is. It's out of the glare. So I set the battery on there. It comes in at 25.5 ounces. Right there. 25.5 ounces. Just like that. It is a lightweight option, and I've had it for about 5 months right now. And every time I go pick it up, it's still charged, it's workable. And yeah, I put it on the charger, I put it on the solar panel, and it works great. But it'll hold charge in between usage, and it's a great option for a lightweight pack and for a spare battery for only $32 on Amazon.